So, dear friends, if you want to prevent the disease of a pumpkin plant, please try to remove the rotten pumpkins. If they stay, then it will damage the plant. So I'm going to remove it. You see, like that, it's removed because this is rotten. There is more. So if you remove the rotten or dead pumpkins, the plant will remain healthy. It will prevent disease. You can see that here is a healthy pumpkin growing. You see, fresh and healthy. Nice. And there are some other healthy pumpkins are growing. So we just have to remove the dead one. You see, okay, this is too much zoom.